Hello everyone, Plammer back from the video. Today, the presents have opened from Christmas, and boy are they amazing. Chill Thrill has accepted my request of signs. Here we are, baby. Oh yeah, I spelled that wrong, but I don't even care. We got signs, boys. We got signs. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I am really happy that we have signs, so now that I can actually write stuff without having to use polls. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's go. All right, enough of the signs though. Next up, you will actually like this one. We finally have this block. It's slate. It looks like coal. So if I can actually find the matching color of the wall, which won't be easy, but yeah, it's not easy, but I mean, like, at least we have it. So if you can actually find the matching color, that'll be really awesome. Now, all of this, it's pretty cool, but nowhere near as cool as what I'm about to show you. My epic steampunk bird. Look at this thing. This is so epic. Thank you for adding this in the game show. No, I'm just kidding. These things are insane. I love Chill Thrill now. The purple presents are boat motors. So they will, like, you'll see. So I can paint the oh never mind. Come on, paint. Yeah, whatever. Alright. You can also buy them in the shop. There's different ones. So I think these ones are like faster because I don't know. So let's just drive this thing around, yo. Let's just drive this. Oh yeah. Sorry, Chill Thrill, but your time stop. Your time of being a pirate has come to an end. Hi, the worthy one. I am now the new boat driver. So it's F to turn it on. So F is to, like, turn it on, as you can see. And you can steer them. Okay, let's go. Oh gosh, wait, what? Oh, thrusters, right. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for that to finish. Oh wait, never mind. I think this boat might be a bit too heavy. Okay guys, so this is the Speedotron 9000. How do I get it back? Oh. So this is the Speedotron 9000. Here we go. So it can turn. Yeah, this is really cool. How do I? Okay. This is really hard to get used to. You have to press D twice for it to go straight. For it to turn a bit. Alright, let's do this. Let's dodge the rocks. Oh god, I suck. Oh geez. Oh, there goes one of my motors. Oh, and another one. And still turn. Oh my gosh. Stop. Okay. Alright, we're doing good. Ow, no, turn. Ow, no. I suck. Oh, ramp! Oh, yo, you can go over ramps? No way. That's sick. So you wanna click and hold for it to work properly. For it to be a lot easier. Oh, jeez. So you can make ramps. and it'll go over it. Stop bullying me. Jeez. If I make it to the end with this thing, I'll be surprised. Hi, crocodiles. I live in Australia, so you legally can't hurt me. Thank you. Alright. So this thing is pretty cool. Yeah, it's hitting the sand, as it usually does. Oh my gosh, look, my steampunk boat. It's going. Oh, okay, hi. Oh, he's clearing the way for us, thanks. Well, I'm sorry, but I need to get past you. Yeah, it's going the other way. Oh, no, please don't hit that. No, please, no. Oh, come on. Ow. Stop. No, I want to climb the volcano. Let's give it a sec. That almost hit me. Come on, hurry up. I wanna... No, are you kidding me? Okay, thank you. Ow, ow. Yay!